In this video I'm going to be showing how to do an engine bay detail using a pressure washer and finishing with Koche Chemie MotorPlast. This is a 2006 Toyota Tundra. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment. Anything you can do to help me out, I really appreciate it. So the first step is going to be to pressure rinse the engine bay. You want to loosen up any dirt and debris that you can. I've got a pressure washer. It's an AR BlueClean 1900 PSI electric pressure washer. I'm going to leave links in the description for all the products. So let's go ahead and get to it. So now that's rinsed down, I like to take diluted all-purpose cleaner by Adams Polishes. This is probably diluted 2 to 1 or 3 to 1, and go through and spray the engine bay. I've got a bucket with a Klin. It's got soapy water. Got a Klin Green Monster microfiber towel. I like to get that out. And I've also got an Adams wheel brush, so I'm going to spray some all-purpose cleaner into the wheel brush and get to scrub it. So you can maybe tell that it picked up quite a lot of grime. I got a couple of other little tools. I've got a little wheel Woolie and a trim and lug nut brush. I'm going to get those out now. Green Monster. Lastly, I've got this big wheel Woolie. I'm gonna go back behind the engine on the firewall, kind of get down in there. I really can't reach anything. Back to the small wheel Woolie. Down here on the fenders. I'm gonna try to reach everything you can reach. So now we're ready to rinse it again. So here we go. Rinse it real good. So the last step is to take your MotorPlast and spray down the engine bay. You don't have to dry anything. You can leave it wet and spray MotorPlast onto the surface, and it will displace the water. That's one of the main properties. It also protects it. It has anti-corrosive properties, and it's also heat resistant at 250 degrees Celsius. So this is a really great option to use on your engine bay. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this down, and you don't want to be bashful with it. You know, you be liberal and try to get it across every surface you can. So here we go. So now that I've sprayed this engine bay down with MotorPlast, I'm going to let this sit for probably somewhere around 30 minutes and just basically soak in, and it'll self-level. It should look just about perfect. But if there are any high spots, you can always take a microfiber towel and just go through and level things off. So again, I'm just going to let this sit for 30 minutes and let you guys see what it looks like afterward. Come back in 30. So this is what the engine bay looks like 30 minutes after being treated with MotorPlast. It really looks nice. It gives it a real dark finish. Again, it adheres to all the surfaces, so it's really nice protected. It's a really easy process to follow. It's basically 5 steps. You rinse, spray down with all-purpose cleaner, you agitate, you rinse again, and then your 5th step is to apply MotorPlast and just step back and let it do the work. So hope you guys like this video. Hope you're following along. I've got other videos. Please watch those as well. Hopefully they're up your alley. And please like and subscribe. And thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.